Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance Bartender. The song is Bartender. The artist is T-Pain featuring AKON. The choreography for is unknown, and if you know her or he or her, please let me know and I'll make that correction. If you are someone you know is interested in the cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions for this video, please watch till the end and I'll post it right here. And guys, last but not least, we are getting ready for the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration has already opened. Thank you guys for your support. I see you. I see your registration. I see you have booked your room. If you want detailed information about this event, go to our website. You can register right there on our website and you can book your hotel. All details are laid out for you. www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's go. instructional, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the UDAT teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.